Hey everybody, Mr. Bean here. Hope everybody's staying healthy and safe, and you're washing your hands, and you're doing all the protective measures to keep yourself healthy. Um, what I want to go through with you today, just to show you guys what I want you guys to do with your notes. I know I posted them yesterday, but I wanted to actually show you what you're supposed to do with that. Um, I'm going to I'm going to start by making this a little bit bigger. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on classwork. Now, under classwork, I told you yesterday that I divide everything up by the week. And we went all through that parent-student contract. Looks like I have 8 people that still have not done that. I will contact them later on today. But what I posted yesterday was review literary term notes. I wanted to make sure you knew what to do with that. So I click on that. It says, this is a copy of the literary term review notes covered in class. Print these out or to put into your notebook, or you can copy them down. I don't care how you do this. You want to copy them down word for word, or if you just want to click print and print them off so they're in your notebook. If you click on that, you'll see everything you should have learned in 7th grade, but probably didn't. That's just, me being a little sarcastic. Everything on these slides should be simple review, like setting where the story takes place. I know for a fact you learned that in kindergarten, so that should be a walk in the park. Moral, you've learned before. Theme, you've learned before. Some of these words, though, may be a little bit more newer to you, and that's completely okay. Like I said, you can copy these down word for word, or you can just print them off, stick them into your binder. We've been going over these in class. I know it's like my Monday, Wednesday cohort. They started copying some of these on Monday. They copied a little bit more today, and their homework for next week for Monday is to have the rest of these copied into their notebook. The reason why I want you to do that is because Monday you will have an open notebook test on these definitions. Okay, so you don't have to have them mastered, but you do have to have them into your notebook so you can successfully complete the test. For you guys, it will be online. Also be online for my kids that are in the classroom. They'll be completing it online, but you want to make sure they're in your notebook so when you go to the test, you rock the test, okay? If you ever have any questions about any of this stuff, remember, send me an email. Always send me an email. Just to show you guys something right quick. I had somebody legit ask me, how do we know if we're getting your emails? So I can click compose, and right over here, if you type in Bean, you'll see the Ghostbusters logo pop up. I talked to you guys about that the other day, but that's just a quick reminder. If you see the Ghostbusters logo pop up, I know for a fact I'm getting your email. So make sure that happens if you decide to send me an email, okay? If you have any questions about the vocab terms, give me a call. Oh, excuse me, not a call, but an email. I'm going to be following up with people that have not gotten their parent-student contract signed. That should be done at this point. Technically, it's due to tomorrow, but it takes 30 seconds. So I'll follow up with those people today. I think I've said about 18 times in this video, so not bad. Don't hesitate to holler at me if you have any questions, but that is the instructions for your review literature term notes, okay? Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.